Welcome to another episode of Tutorial Series. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to make page turn effect in After Effects. So let's get started. First, drag your video to the timeline, then scale the video to fit the comp. Then go to the Effects and Presets and search for CC Page. Drag it to the video. This will give us an anchor point. With this anchor point, we can control the page where we want to turn. Then go to Effects Control Panel and change the back page to none. Change the page color to any color you want. Then click on the timer of the fold position. Then move your time indicator few seconds forward. Then change the page position using the anchor point to turn your page to and add your keyframe. Play around with the sitting accordingly.